Hi, my name is Woodress, and this is my ACES Expo project. My research project is on Foley art. Foley art is making ordinary sound effects from unusual objects. Jack Foley was the inventor of Foley art. He worked on many films. The following will be examples of Foley sound effects. Please stay tuned for the King's Ring Pops.
I have come for the ring.
Which one, sir?
All of them.
Knight!
How about you?
What took thee so long?
I was busy. Ha! 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 Go! Come on. Ha! You have broken my arm. Did you not hear that sound? I mean, come on. Craig? Dave?
Hey, dude, how's all this? Yeah, that's crazy. How you doing? Right.
Ha-ha!
'Tis a small kingdom after all. Ha ha!
For the ring pop, I'm going to start with my mouth. For the whole sound effect, I use cups. For the sword sound effect, we use spoons and forks. For the bone sound effect, I did this. I hope you enjoyed this video about Foley art, and also I hope you realize after the video that my dad and his friends are complete goofballs.